Now we'll have the practice of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Anulom Vilom Pranayam is also known as Nadi Shodhana Pranayam or the Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. So what you do is you come to a meditative pose. So you can either come to a Siddhasana position with your heels touching your perineum like this, or you can come to Ardha Padmasana, or you can also come to the Purna Padmasana position. You can also try the Vajrasana position where you sit like this with your hands on your thighs. Make sure your buttocks are resting on the heels and you stay erect in Vajrasana if you are doing on Vajrasana position. And for the people who cannot sit on any of this meditative pose can try on the normal sitting position, the Sukhasana position. So the practice of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So what you do is, here I will be sitting on a Siddhasana position with the back as erect as possible, chin up, left hand in Jnana Mudra like this, right hand in Pranaya Mudra. You bend your index and your middle finger and you place your thumb on the right nostril, and after you inhale from the left, you just touch and close with the ring finger. You just have to touch and close. You need not push the nose like this. Your facial muscles shall be relaxed and you should do a normal quiet breathing. So I'll just show you one rep of the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So from my erect position, you just close the right nostril. You inhale the Puraka position. You inhale from your left nostril. You just close it with your ring finger and you exhale from your right nostril. Again you inhale from the right nostril. You close it with your thumb and you exhale from the left nostril. So that makes one set. So I'll just show you one rep of the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So the inhalation part is known as the Puraka and the exhalation is called the Rechaka. The holding part is called as the Kumbhaka, which we will not be doing today. We will just do the inhalation and the exhalation only. So we will just try 5 sets of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. We will do it together. After that, after completing the 5 reps, just relax in the normal sitting position. You can just relax your meditative pose and come to normal sitting position. After that, with my command, you can come to Shavasana position and we will wind up for the day. So, hand in Pranayam position, and now together. Now slowly release the position. Eyes shall remain closed. Slowly come to normal sitting position. And now slowly come to Shavasana position. Just Relax in Shavasana for a few seconds. Come to supine lying position, that is on your back. Feet apart with the toes pointing out. Hands apart with the palm facing the ceiling. Head tilted slightly towards the right side. Just relax. Now slowly release the position. Eyes shall remain closed. Slowly bring your feet together. Slowly bring your hands by the side of the body. Now raise your right hand up and above the head, slowly placed on the floor. Now turn towards the right side. Bend your both legs at your knees. Take support of your left hand and slowly come to sitting position. Now rub your palms on each other. Make a small heat. And now slowly place it on your eyes. And now slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's session on yoga and we could serve the purpose of International Day of Yoga. Do visit my YouTube channel Dr. Sandy Nair for more updates on yoga practices as well as different videos on fitness. Do send in your feedbacks and comments on my Facebook page as well as my Instagram. Keep supporting. Thank you and have a great day.